I think, the kick-off today was quite good, encouraging. I think the right messages are being broadcasted from the way in which the group of eminent persons have been constituted and so forth. The ideals that have been set out and the objectives by the preparatory committee are very clear. When it comes to myself, I decided to participate when I was requested to do so because I think it's my duty, it's my responsibility. I don't have to do it, but on the other hand, if we're all sitting back and criticize and do nothing about answering some of the criticism, then we can't complain. And I think that is the basic approach I would follow, and trying to convince others to participate as well. I think all of our communities across the spectrum, from all language groups in the country, should participate in order to make sure that we work towards a common ideal for the whole of South Africa. And we can't exclude ourselves, or excluding ourselves means that we follow an exclusive approach instead of an inclusive approach. So that would be the reasons why I decided to participate.